My name is Shachaf, I'm 29 years old, and I've been working here at Teva, Kfar Saba at the QC lab as a chemist for almost a year.
When I was a toddler, I had abdominal migraine, which means that I had all of the symptoms of migraine without the head pain. By the time I turned 8 years old, I experienced my first migraine attack with head pain. So migraine has been a very, very big part of my life since I can remember. My name is Jaime Sanders. I live in Fredericksburg, Virginia. I became chronic around the age of 25, and by the time I was 27 to 28 years old, I progressed to having daily migraine, which I continue to have, and I am now 44 years old. Migraine is extremely debilitating. It affects not only myself, but my entire family. I don't know how my day will be until I get up in the morning. It is my dream to come to a place where I can finally find a treatment that gives me more days with less pain or no pain. We are so grateful to your dedication and your work and your commitment to help give us better qualities of life. So thank you.
It's very hard for me to see this, to see people struggling like this. We have a crucial part in helping those people and those patients in feeling better every day. Me and my lab colleagues are the last part of the chain who ensure the quality of the medication before we send them to the clients. In this way, we can improve the lives of the patients by promising that the quality of the medication we send is the best as possible. I see why it's so important to keep the relationship between Teva and between the patients, because in this way it gives us meaning to come every morning to work and do what we do every day. I wish Jaime to have a healthy and a normal life without being afraid of the next migraine attack. My biggest passion in life was to change people's life every day in what I do. And in my work here, I feel like I'm actually doing it.